Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 devices sizes has been confirmed by another leakster. Also, we have Samsung OneUI Watch first look has been arrived, and this is going to be available in the upcoming Galaxy Watch 4. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. Moving forward, Samsung has provided a glimpse of OneUI Watch during its virtual MWC 2021 press event today, and the company also confirmed that its upcoming Galaxy Watch will be the first device to come with a new interface. That smartwatch is likely going to be launching at the Unpacked event in August, and it's going to be the Galaxy Watch 4. So basically, Samsung has ditched the Tizen OS for its smartwatches, and the company was expected to start using the Android instead. At the Google I/O event, Samsung confirmed the collaboration of their upcoming watch faces with Google, and this One UI watch is going to be the part of that. And here the One UI watch was developed to enable deeper integration between Samsung Galaxy smartwatches and the smartphone. So today's event has given some glimpse of the One UI, and particularly one feature which I honestly think is going to be great. Whenever we are going to install any watch compatible app like Spotify on your smartphone, its smartwatch version will automatically download it and install on the watch, and you can also use them. The second feature which I think is going to be great, if you customize the lock on your phone to show time to the different cities, then it will automatically reflect on your smartwatches as well. Any calls and messages blocked from the Galaxy Watch will also be blocked on the smartphone. These may seem like minor improvement, but they will be significantly improve the user experience. Also, the biggest benefit of the Android-based unified platform provides Samsung is the access to the Google Play. New Galaxy Watch users can be able to download popular third-party apps that were previously unavailable for Tizen OS, including the popular health tracking apps. Google native apps will also be available, so users can get the benefit of Google Maps, YouTube Music, and Messages. Also, there is going to be improved face design tool that will be making it easier for designer to create new watch faces, and that is going to be available for Android developers later this year. Samsung hasn't showcased any other improvements that have been made on the One UI watch. It's obviously keeping that for the Unpacked event. So as per now, we already know that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 devices are going to be launching on the month of August, and they are going to be coming with some much improvements. There are going to be much improvement, like we have an under display camera sensor, the S Pen support, and also we are going to see a triple camera setup on the back side in a new design. Also we have 120Hz refresh rate on both the panels, front and the back, and with that we also going to see the IP rating for dust and water resistant for the first time in a foldable devices. Today we have a new report coming from reputable Korean media ET News, and it comes out with confirmation about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 device display size. According to the inside sources, the Z Fold 3 external display is 6.23 inches in diagonal, while the inner one is going to be coming with a 7.55 inch of display. In other words, there won't be any changes in the size, just expect a more compact overall device. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is going to be coming with a larger 1.9 inch of external display, which is going to be an improvement from 1.1 inch in the original Z Flip. The main inner panel, however, remains a 6.7 inches, and it's going to be also supported by 120Hz of refresh rate. Other details were not mentioned, but we still have a little over a month until Samsung unveil both devices, so more rumors will be pop up until then. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.